see if the Park Avenue will start. Everything looks like it's good to go. Oh yeah, like a champ, no problem. I gotta move this thing. Oh great, wipers are stuck. Well, that was just lovely. Forgot that the wipers were on last night because it rained. Alright, I gotta move this. Chooching. Oh, and here's the white Buick. I'll start that one later. Well, since I've had the Park Avenue running for a little bit now, I figured we'd try and start the white Buick. This one hasn't been started in about a week, give or take, and it's about 10 degrees right now, so it probably won't start as easy, but shouldn't be too bad. Lock's a little stiff. Oh. Holy moly. Oh, well. That helps. Try and get some of the snow out of here. Alright, that should be good enough. Ugh. Let's see what she does. Oh yeah, not too bad. See if the wipers are frozen down. Yeah, that didn't sound too good. They're froze.